Hello, you made it to Friday. Congratulations. This week has been kind of hard because we didn't have school on Tuesday for the election, but we are still rolling right along with 5 sessions. It's really important that we stay right on track because we have a lot of learning to do. And because we're e-learners, we really have to make sure that we are self-disciplined. What that means is when we are supposed to do our work, we get our work done. So if you are behind in math, this is just a friendly reminder to do 1, 2, or even 3 if you can do it some days so you can catch up. This is important learning for you. What we're working on is our number sense, which means we really know how to add and subtract numbers and work with numbers really easily and understand why and how and all those kinds of things. So today's Friday. It's lesson 6-5, lesson 6, session 5. It's our last one. Whoop, whoop. We're on page 137 in our math books, and it's apply it. We're doing refining, counting on to subtract. So I have a problem. It says Marta has 8 buttons. 6 are square. The rest are round. How many round buttons are there? So what I did is I just drew the square ones and then I drew circles. So again, this is not art class. This is math class. They don't have to be perfect. So I drew my 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here's my 6. And then I have 1, 2 left over. So I know her 6 square plus her 2 round will get her 8 buttons. 6, 7, 8. So 8 minus 6 is 2, and she has 2 round buttons. OU says, ow. Ow, you pinched me. Okay, good. Number 2 says, 6 fish are in the weeds. 3 swim away. How many are still in the weeds? So we have 6 fish. 3 swim away. So I have 6 fish, 3 swim away. Here's my 3 that are gone. They're away. And then I have 6 total. So here's my starting point. Here's my stopping point. Now I'm going to count on 3, 4, 5, 6. See how I'm kind of on the number line like you have in your book? See how it kind of matches? But instead, I start at 3. I'm not coloring in all of those. I'm just saying, okay, I'm starting at 3. And then, because I have 3 fish, right? And then I count on to 6, just like I did here. So I'm just filling in the blanks. Okay. All right. So, let's see. So now I'm going to start at 3, and I have 1, 2, 3 birds here. I'm sorry, 3 fish. 3 fish are still there. So now I know if I take these 3 plus these 3, 1, 2, 3, it equals 6. Or I could write it like this, 6 equals 3 plus 3. And I know if I have 6 total fish, 3 swim away, I still have 3 left. Awesome job. Number 3. This, it says, 6 flowers are in a vase, 5 are short. How many are tall? So my smallest number is where I'm going to start. My larger number is where I'm going to end. So I have 5. This time I put them in a circle. 5 that are short, short, sh, short. 6 that are tall. So I'm going to count on 5, 6. It took me 1 jump to get here. These are my 5, and here's my 1, my 6th flower that's tall. So now I know 6 equals 5 plus 1, or I know 5 plus 1 equals 6. I just flipped it, and 6 minus those 5. If I take out those 5, I still have 1 that's left over, that's tall. I hope this makes sense. I'm trying to do it in different ways so people can see different strategies, because I know the same strategy isn't going to work for everybody, but that's why we're practicing these strategies so you can learn them and then figure out which one works best for you. So in this case, I just did 5, lumped them together, stopped at 6 because I have 6 total. And then if I did a little line here like I'm jumping, and I'm jumping this way. I'm jumping toward the 6, so that means I'm adding. All right. Moving on. Next problem. I'm on the next page. I'm on problem number 4, and it says 6 children are in a group. Some have red hair. We don't know how many. And 4 have black hair. 4 have black hair. Red hair, we don't know. So I'm going to start with my 4. This is the strategy that I want you to use. Whether it's a square or a circle or something, I want you to put them all over here in this box because we're starting here. We're going to count on from 4. I say count, you say on. Count, count. Nice. Miss Lamb loves to count on. We're counting on. So 4, and then I'm going to stop at 6 because I only have 6 kids. I know 4 is less than 6, it's smaller. So I need to figure out how many are over here that get me to 6. So these are my 4 black-haired kids. These are my red-headed. So 4, I'm going to count on. 4, knock on the door. 4, 5, 6. 4, 5, 6. So 1 through 4 are black-haired kids. 5 and 6 are red-haired kids. That's 1, 2. So 6 equals 4 plus 2 more. 6 minus 4 equals 2. I think those are the ones. Oh, doesn't even ask you to do that. I just did it. So feel free to do the fact family because it's very helpful for you. You can also do 2 plus 4 equals 6. I know 6 minus 2 equals 4. I know 4 plus 2 equals 6. All right. Awesome job, guys. It's hard stuff. Our second to last problem talks about Tara. It says Tara has 8 pieces of fruit. She has 5 grapes. The rest are berries. So she has 8 total. So we're going to put a circle around that. 5 are grapes. That's an R blend. The rest are berries. Berries. How many berries does she have? I'm going to draw 5 grapes. My grapes are in this basket. It's the smaller number, so I'm going to be moving toward my larger number, which is over here. That's my stopping point. I suggest you draw it so you know where to stop. Over here are how many berries? These are strawberries. So now I'm going to start at 5 and I'm going to count on until 8. I'm going to stop at 8. 5, 6, 7, 8. I have 1, 2, 3 berries. So I know 8 equals 5 plus 3. 8 minus 5 equals 3. 5, 6, 7, 8. That's what we're doing. We're doing that, but with a picture. You can always draw, my friends. That will help you out. Number 6, we made it to the last problem. Yay! It's about our friend Mateo. It says Mateo has 9 things to recycle. So that's going to be our total. He has 2 bottles. 2 bottles. The rest are boxes. but we don't know how many boxes to recycle. How many boxes are there? So I'm going to do a 2. And these are the bottles. And then over here, these are the boxes. We're stopping at 9 because I know 2 is much smaller than 9. So I'm going to count on from 2. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I filled in my number line all the way. Now I need to count how many I have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are 7 boxes for him to recycle. Whew, that was some good thinking. So great job, boys and girls. Please let a grown-up know if you need some additional one-on-one time with your teacher just to help explain all this a little bit more if it's not making sense. But hopefully it's making sense and you're rolling right along with us as we are adding on to subtract. Good luck on your test. I know you're going to do amazing. Bye, guys.